Hello, welcome back to Owtech, where we help you get your tech right. It's good to have you back, as you have been a loyal and consistent supporter of this channel. So today we are not going to look at a video editing application as we have done in our previous video, but today we are going to start a new week with a new product. We're going to have a review of the AWEI A780BL wireless headphones. So just look at my package here. This is the headphone, one of the best headphones I've had so far from my personal experiences, comparing what I have used and what I haven't used. So if you just look at the packaging of this headphone here, there's some features that are listed right here. Like we have the Bluetooth 5.0 stable performance, which allows long distance connection if you're using this headphone. Then it supports a TF card, so it means you can connect your memory card to this and load music and listen to it from anywhere. Then we have 3D ear muffers, which is soft and comfortable. And then we have an iron bow design, increase product bow life, folding design, and easy to carry. So let's just look at what we have in here, and we can experience what has been described on the package or on the box. So in this box here we have these headphones. We have a charging cable, means you can plug it with any USB port and charge your headphones. And we have this male-to-male headphone connector, where you can which you can connect your headphone to a mobile phone or to a computer that has that port. So our main product is this. This is the AWEI A780 Bluetooth headphones, wireless headphones, which is said to have quite a lot of interesting features, which I am yet to experience, and I believe it is a good product from just what I've seen. So if you look at this headphone, some of the most interesting things is the flexibility, just the ease of use. Now you see this is movable. It's up to 90 degrees. Like in our package we were told that this headphone has an easy folding design. So this, you can see, you can turn this to that position. It is foldable to 90 degrees, that position. Then I can also extend or stretch this. See if it does not fit, I stretch it and put it back. It's easy. The other flexibility aspect is that it can easily break. You can see that it's very much flexible. Now when we want to use this device, there are two modes that we can use it. You can use Bluetooth connection, or we can use the cable provided, this male-to-male cable, where I can connect it to my phone or to laptop. So let's look at what we have on this headphone here. We have some buttons here. We have power on, we have the volume up and volume down buttons. You can see there. We have the volume up button here, volume down button, and the power button. This is probably on for setting modes. So let's try power this on. So you're going to long press this button here. So that is if you want to do a Bluetooth connection. Then you'll switch on Bluetooth on your mobile device. Just go and switch on Bluetooth. Then you go to settings and try pairing a new device, where you will see the AWEI A780BL, and when you tap on it, it will connect automatically and you can start listening to your music. If you prefer using the cable, you just plug it in. You don't have to power this on when you're using the cable, because you don't need any form of connection. And you just plug this in, and then you connect the other end to your device. Now you should notice that when you plug this in, the Bluetooth functionality goes off sometimes, so you do that and plug it to your device, and then you can play your music or just anything that you want to do with. Another interesting feature about these headphones is it has a built-in microphone. This can make it easy for you to attend online classes, make calls, or maybe attend some webinars, do some transcription jobs, or just anything that requires you speaking while you listen at the same time. So these headphones are very comfortable. I'm going to try them on. You can see the ear mufflers are very big, 3D as it's claimed, and it covers all over my ears, and it has that noise cancelling capability or feature that most people look for in a headphone, especially if you want to do a transcription task, or you want to attend a webinar or just an online class, and you just want to get rid of all the noise around you. So these ear mufflers are big, and it covers all your ears and leaves no space for sound to escape or for any noise from the outside to come in. And then they're very soft and comfortable. It means you can wear them for a long time, or you can use them for hours without feeling any pain or any discomfort from these headphones here. One of the most important things that most people look at when buying a headphone is the power capacity, apart from the other features discussed. Now this headphone is one that can really give you some great service when it comes to battery capacity or power strength, because this headphone, a 2-hour charge can take you for can give you around 12 hours of music and 13 to 15 hours talk time. That means you can have 12 continuous music hours and 13 to 15 hours talk time, whether you're doing a webinar or an online class. So that is very impressive for a cheap headphone, and if you can get that in this, then I think it's worth the money. You can just buy it and test it and have the experience yourself. And then I think we already talked about the connection distance, which is around 10 meters. Means you can listen to your music from a 10-meter distance from where your device is. Okay. So that's just how interesting this headphone is, and they are not very expensive. At least if you intend to look for one, and I would much recommend you to get one of these, because it is cheap but very good product if you are looking for convenience and you want to get started with that online job that you've been waiting for. You just want to get started with that online class that you have always tried to use, but you don't have a great headphone to do that with. Find the links in the description where you can get these products. You can buy it, and then the links that I'm providing are affiliate links, and when you tap on them, I get a commission that helps me support this channel. So click on the links below and go and view the pricing and the features from the websites providing these products. Thank you for being a part of this. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you liked these headphones. And if you really love them, make your order now and start having that great experience of great music and good sound for anything that you're listening to.